What if every ride felt like a VIP experience? Introducing SPG 2+2 Prime. From crystal clear visibility and intelligent storage to confident grip and enhanced safety, every detail is crafted to make every ride smoother, smarter, and more comfortable. From resorts and hotels to campuses and communities, the SPG 2+2 fits seamlessly into every run. Comfortably accommodating 4 passengers, the thoughtfully designed seating layout provides generous space and a premium riding experience for everyone on board. Move better with Speedigo.